Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Follow Daily Yoga at Home, best free application. So guys, what I find the most best app is Yoga for beginners. It will be available on the Google Play Store and just simply open the application. So guys, remember that when you open the application, it will ask you a lot of things and you have to provide all the information needed for the questions, and automatically guys, it will provide you a personalized plan. And from here, after answering all of the question, as you can see, I have here a free plan from day 1 up to 30 days. So when you tap on start over here, you should be able to have a preview of your day 1, and you will have here warm up exercises, main routine. So guys, it is a full pack application. And when you tap on start over here, as you can see, you will even have a live preview on how the workout should go. So guys, this is the best application I find so far, and I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.